Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Zacconi baby last espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because the group didn't actually provide enough water, and as you can see now, it's doing great. It's really good water and everything. We also did to man this machine. We would replace the gaskets from the piston, so it's more easy to lift the lever up and down. And these are the gaskets. We also replace the gaskets from the side glass itself, and the whole steam assembly. So brand new gaskets and really good pressure coming out from here. So we're gonna do one shot of espresso. Hopefully I had the grind set up correctly. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. And here we go. Looks like I didn't pack it properly. As you can see, the coffee roll just went right through it. That's the bad thing about Zacconi. They're a little bit picky with their grind settings, and it's kind of hard to get it. It's a hit and miss sometimes. But there you have it. Zacconi baby lasso working once again, and water coming out through the groove. Thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.